Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix Cash App transfer failed. So let's get right into it. I'll be using this LinkedIn article, call it whatever you want, because I don't have Cash App in my country or in my region, and neither can I replicate any of these errors right here. So let me just go over these methods and explain to you guys how you can possibly fix it. Now, the first reason why your transfer may have failed is it's been declined by bank. Or by your bank, so you can either contact the bank and see why it's been blocked or declined, and then try to fix it from there. It could be either because you're running out of balance, putting in the wrong PIN, password, or technical issues. So you just need to figure out what's the problem and try to fix it yourself like that. It depends on what the problem is, so I can't really go into more detail, but other than that, your bank account of course may be running out of money, so make sure you have sufficient balance if you wish to transfer it over to Cash App. And other than that, payment might include fraudulent acts. For that, you should choose debit or credit cards that are in your name. Make sure that you have confirmed the recipient's contact details before making a transaction. Often use of cash apps can be supportive in the removal of fraud acts, and transact with those you know, so don't go around giving money to unknown people. It helps to protect your account from fraudulent activity. And if it happens, you can grab the user and cancel the transaction before it's done, or you can report them and block them and contact Cash App support for help. Other than that, it might be a technical issue for which you will need to contact their support or wait for it to be fixed. And other than that, you might have limits which are on your account, and if that's the case, then you will need to verify your identity or just use Cash App often enough so that they raise the limits themselves. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.